Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2019 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 4,339 miles and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds, and the rear at 5/30 seconds. We took this bike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The right side of the engine cover is scraped, and there are scrapes on the exhaust muffler shield. There's a scratch on the top of the fuel tank, a blemish in the finish on the top of the fuel tank. The clutch lever is scraped, scrapes on the left side swing arm spool and swing arm sticker peeling, and a tear on the tail section of the vinyl, and a scrape and adhesion blemishes on the upper fairing. This bike has one key and comes equipped with ABS, quick shifter, and cruise control. It's been upgraded with Moto rear sets, tech-spec tank pads, Driven Racing Halo fuel tank cap, swing arm spools, front axle sliders, a gold chain, aftermarket carbon fiber frame covers, carbon fiber swing arm cover, a lithium-ion battery, a rear fender eliminator kit, and LED rear turn signals. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.